Welcome back to my desk studio. Thank you so much for stopping in. This is Unboxing Chill, where we do some unboxings here, okay? We have another box that we received from WatchGang.com. It is a wheel watch. We're into it for about $50. It's their cheapest watch. So you can get into it again. It's just $50 is all it'll cost you. It's added to a wheel. You do have a chance of winning a watch. It's a little bit more expensive, or you would just win the one that you paid for, which in this case, that's what happened here. So this one is just $50 to get into. Okay, so we're gonna take a look at it. It's a brand you'll recognize, and I don't think it's a bad piece for the price at all. I'll say that right off the bat. Okay, so we'll do a wristwatch check from the top here. I am still wearing the Aquacy Cave Diver. If you follow the channel, and I hope you do, hit that subscribe button, okay? We did unbox this. So it's got a nice Seiko movement, open heart, nice, kind of a blue-black sunburst dial here. And I did put an aftermarket shark mesh on it. And I think it's an overall nice piece to wear every day, so I'll drop that in the description. Take a look at that video. Let me know what you think. So now we'll get to today's watch, okay? Let me get my desk ready, and I just want to say while I do that, hit that subscribe button. The channel's growing nicely. Be the cool guy or girl who hits that subscribe button, and help us grow here, okay? We have giveaways lined up at 500 and then 1,000 subscribers, so we're getting there slowly but surely, okay? Let's get the box going here. That's why we're here, right? So enter Sterling. And I will say that when it comes to Sterling, it seems like, it's decent quality, but at a really affordable price point. You can find a lot of Sterlings for very cheap. And I don't think that the price, I think you get a watch that is very well made for what they cost. I'll say that. In most cases, you get what you pay for, but this is something where I feel like the quality and the fit and finish and the quality outweighs what the price is. Which I want to say also, for anyone listening to me, anyone who follows my channel, for the watch fans, I will say that today especially, I mean, this was $50 on Watch Gang. I will say that we're getting to a point where I think that good watches are getting cheap, okay? And I think cheap watches are getting good. So, listen, at every price point you can join this hobby and you can find something. So, let's take a look here, okay? So we've got the sheath, and the sheath is black. The thing that I will give Sterling a knock on that I don't usually care for is their weird boxes. The orange and the black and this sort of thing. For some reason, I guess maybe I wish it were more subdued, but I don't like the orange and the orange and black with the lines. For whatever reason, I just don't care for that. But it's not about the box. It's about what's inside, okay? So this, let's see here. So we've got Everyone Deserves Luxury. It said that on one, actually we unboxed the Sterling on the channel before and it said the same thing. It was roughly the same kind of design. It's a different shape box, same design though. And it did also say Everyone Deserves Luxury. So that was the Depth Master that we unboxed before. And that was around the same price. It was a nice diver. So what I will do is I'll actually include that in the description box below, a link to the, if I remember, a link to the Cave Diver from Aquacy. We'll put that link in there. Also from Watch Gang, beautiful piece, really nice piece, quality piece. And then we'll also include a link to the Depth Master, okay? So let's pop this open here. So right off the bat, I think just like the other one, you've got a microfiber cloth branded. It does say Sterling on that. We'll move that out of the way. Let's see here. So you've got, I'm assuming just like a warranty card, the usual stuff, care information. Let's see here, instruction manual with some warnings at the bottom. So this is all kind of standard fare here. And then let's get down to the piece. So I will say, right before I go jump into that, oh, I think that's snapped. But I will say here that just this box, it actually is a nice presentation. While I don't like the colors, it being spring-loaded and kind of nice in here. This is plush. This is actually nicer than some more expensive watches. I've literally gotten, $300 Seikos that will arrive in, like a paper box, So this is definitely, a little bit nicer than some of the other stuff, and not from Watch King, just stuff that I've ordered from Amazon, different places, Seiko's website. I've ordered watches from there, and it will arrive in a box that is just kind of flimsy, just thick paper basically. So I do think that the materials on this sterling watch for $50 actually quite nice, all things considered. So, all right, let's get into the watch. So this is the Jensen. That's what I believe the name is. This is the Jensen. And this is a blue. As you can see, it may look black there, but it's actually a blue dial, okay? And it's got a orange. Looks like it's got a small seconds, so it's got a little sub-dial there, but small seconds. And let's see, I think I got the plastic on this. Let's see if we can, is there yeah, there's plastic on it. Okay, hold on. Bear with me, guys. Okay, there we go. This is live. All right, so we've got the, like I said, nice, beautiful blue dial there, actually. So we do have the small seconds. So, it's going to tick down at the bottom, which I think is, which is a nice quality. If we got to do a quartz, kind of a quartz piece like this, some people, not me, but some people don't like to see a watch tick, kind of on the larger dial. Having it on the smaller dial, which we will push that in. Having it on the smaller dial kind of breaks it up a little bit. Still makes it look, I guess, different from the norm for some people. So let's check out the back. As you can see, you've got the sterling logo. Okay, and this is not a dive watch by any means. We'll check out the water resistance rating on the website. Let's peel this off. There we go. All right, so that's the back. So I doubt this has a screw down crown or any type of real water resistance to it. As you can see, it is on a mesh bracelet. And if you do know me, here, let me take this off real quick. If you know me, I love mesh. Just because I'm a larger guy, and sometimes I size my own watches. Which you should totally do, by the way. I know I've seen a lot of guys saying that they go to a jeweler. Jeweler will charge them $10. Listen, support your local jeweler if that's what you want to do. But you can literally buy one of these sizers on one of these sizing tools to size a watch on Amazon for like a dollar. And you can handle this yourself. You don't necessarily have to go anywhere. And in today's trying times, I don't even know if you even really want to go anywhere. So let's take a look here, okay? So it doesn't appear that I can buckle it up here, just because it doesn't reach. My wrist is too big. So there is still plenty of room for me to move this down. Let me see if I can find, let me see. Bear with me, guys. Again, we're live. Let me see. I don't have any of my tools with me. I guess I can just try my pocket knife. Let's see here. But we're going to try to size this on the spot here. So we're going to take a little more time with you guys than I normally do. I normally unbox when I get out of there. But if you don't know how to size one of these, you just lift that there. You pull this down. And then you literally just clamp it back once you found your size. You just clamp it back. So this isn't my exact size, but it's enough for me to just put it on. So bear with me. I'm going to clamp it on here, and we're going to take a look at it. So this is just, again, keep in mind, this is just enough for me to put it on and just see what it's about. So, okay, the big reveal, okay? So it is flimsy. I did do it too big, but I overdid it just so that I can see, just so you guys can see it on the wrist here. So here it is down here. We've got it clamped on. We adjusted it. We made it a little bit wider. You see how quick we did that, because it doesn't have links. you know, you can, and again, you can adjust lengths fairly easily. Just buy the tool on Amazon. It's like $1 or $2. You know, get it shipped out to you Prime. You can adjust your own watches. But a lot of people like to support their local jeweler. If that's the case, that's fine. Maybe you build up a relationship. Maybe it gives you a discount. But it's so easy to do at home, guys. But let's see here. So here it is. This is the Jensen. Like I said, you got that nice blue dial. And I think this is a piece, like I said, you could throw this in your collection. You could wear this for a long time. It looks like some other watches I have. I think I have a Bretta watch. It kind of looks like this. So I have some other pieces that do look like this. But this is just a nice no-worry piece. And it wasn't too much money, so you're not too worried about, you know, beating it up here. But I like this a lot. Let's take a look at the specs, and then we'll get out of here. I've got the website pulled up here on my phone. So here we go. Let me see here. So this is it. So this is the Jensen, guys. And this is right on the Sterling website. So this is sterling.com, okay? And these are the other colors that it comes in, okay? So it looks like the same stainless steel, but with gray or brown. There's an all-black blackout version and then a gold and black version here, so. But here we go. So this is give your wrist a shot of style with the retro design. Let's see here. So you've got the case size. Let's get the full specs here. So we've got the full, oh, wait, what did I hit? Oh, it was already expanded. Okay, so specs was already expanded. So let's see here. So there's your model, right? Okay, it's a dress watch. Obviously it's for men. You've got your features down here. Kind of a light feature set, and it's not, I mean, again, this isn't a feature pack watch. It's more of a dress watch, more of a watch for style, okay? But like I said, with Sterling, I think you get, you know, more quality than you pay for, definitely. So there's the case thickness. You can see here, there's a water resistance rating, you know, mesh bracelet. I mean, it's very simple, guys. You know, you can see the, you've got the hands and everything here. You know, what type of hands and everything, but just a very simple piece. It is a quartz movement, of course, we knew that. But like I said, with that small seconds down there, I think it just offers, you know, with not having that moving hand inside the main dial. I think that definitely adds to it, you know, having that small seconds down there on a dress watch, I think looks really nice. So thank you guys so much for stopping in here. Let me turn my phone off here. Thank you guys so much for stopping in. I appreciate you hanging out with me. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. Be the cool guy, be the cool girl. Hit that sub. We're growing a channel. Hang out with me. I'll be back with another unboxing. Thank you so much. This has been Unboxing Chill, guys. Stay home. Wash your hands. Goodbye.